in India in Indian language, and most of our Austrian crews, or all of them, they were for the first time in India and for the first time in Lucknow, and they just fell in love with the city. And even me, I didn't know Lucknow as such. I'm born and brought up in Delhi, and with the people of Lucknow, with the food and the warmth, and not just Lucknow, they are now here for IFFI, and I think I lost my heart in Lucknow first, and now I've lost my heart here in IFFI, Goa.
In Goa as well.
Yeah.
How have you enjoyed Goa? Have you had a chance to, go out and see a bit of Goa as well?
Not much, because just being at IFFI Goa, it was so overwhelming, and I really loved the atmosphere here, the lights, and I've said it so many times that I've been to festivals in Europe, but if I have a chance to choose between any of the A-level festivals in Europe or IFFI Goa, it's going to be IFFI Goa for my future films.
Well, that's fantastic to hear. What is your take on the hybrid format that IFFI has introduced?
I'm really impressed the way this festival has been held in this pandemic, and the protocols which were followed. I think the whole world can come here and ask for the secret how you guys did it. It was wonderful the way it was done. I felt very safe. I think people felt very safe, and the whole world, especially Austria, was looking at Goa.
Well, thank you so much, Sandeep. Thank you. Nice talking to you again. Thank you.
It's so wonderful to be here. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I have with me now Mr. Rahul Roel. Hello, sir.
Hi.
A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, could you tell us a little bit about how you feel being here today for the closing, and also IFFI happening in spite of the pandemic situation?
Well, it's been a great effort, and I think the credit goes to Mr. Javadekar, the Minister, Mr. Sawant, and the secretaries, and especially to Mr. Chaitanya Prasad, who has really done a very good job with this. It's been great to see this.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nice talking to you.
My
Enjoy the
pleasure.
show, sir.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we were talking to a lot of very interesting people so far on the red carpet. And right now we have Mr. Ravi Kotarakara, who is the Film Federation, Secretary of the Film Federation. So he's going to be joining us. Hello, Mr. Kotarakara. Hi, sir. Welcome. Nice to see you again. Sir, could you tell me a little bit about how you feel about IFFI happening in spite of COVID and the hybrid, the hybrid festival that's been introduced this year?
First, once again, I thank our beloved Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar ji, Amit Khare ji, and the complete DFF, all the secretaries, Mr. Chaitanya Prasad, ESG, Mr. Subhash Pal Desai, and our beloved Chief Minister Pramod. If they were not there, we could have not conducted this festival in such a meticulous way. In fact, we had no problems. We had the best of the films, and we all enjoyed it. Only thing is, it was downscaled, to meet the present COVID standards.
Yes.
We had good films and social distancing. Nothing to complain. We all enjoyed. It was a festival, and a wonderful festival. It was like a family reunion, getting together and watching a lot of films.
And sir, do you think the hybrid concept will continue into the next year
Surely
as well?
this will continue, and it will remain to stay, and it will be a big success, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kotarakara. Thank you, sir. Nice talking to you. Thank you.
ma'am.
So, ladies and gentlemen, up next we have from the film Then, Tarun Kumar, and we're going to be talking to Tarun. Hi, Tarun. Nice to see you.
Hi.
Hi. Tarun, tell me, how has your experience been here at IFFI over the past few days?
Well, I'm very excited to be at 51st IFFI Goa. Okay, it's like a dream come true.
I believe the actress of the film is with us
and
as well.
my heroine is here, my film heroine, Then film heroine.
Hi, I have to say you're looking beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So he was just telling us about his experience here at IFFI. Can you put a little bit of your experience in there as well? Let us know how it was for you.
In 10 movies?
Yeah, no, at IFFI.
At IFFI.
In Goa.
Okay, we are very much excited to see our movie here, and we are in a competition, and hope we do the best. We get wish from all members and jury members.
I'm sure you definitely will. Nice having you with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, IFFI.
Thank
Okay,
you, IFFI.
all the best. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be having a lot more people joining us on the red carpet as well. So, do keep in mind, around 240 films were screened at IFFI this year. The hybrid concept has been taken off. People are really, really happy with that as well, that in spite of COVID, a lot of people who couldn't come down to IFFI, be present on the ground in the midst of all the action, could actually catch the films screening live virtually and also take part in the master classes that happen as well. So lots of first for IFFIs this year, and it's taken to a whole new level. We're going to be talking to a few of the film directors as well on the red carpet soon. Lots more dignitaries to come. The closing ceremony is going to happen very shortly in little over 15 minutes. So lots more action coming to you live from Panjim with the closing ceremony here of the 51st edition of IFFI. So ladies and gentlemen, this IFFI this year is paying homage to the great Satyajit Ray on his birth centenary. He is someone who transformed Indian cinema. He's also one of the first Indian directors to actually get an honorary Oscar. So please have a look at this small AV that we have prepared and about the very, very great Satyajit Ray. Thank you.
প্রকৃত ভারতকে চিনতে গেলে ভারতবর্ষের বাইরে যেতে হবে।
তুইও যে একলা একলা চড়ে পড়ে যাবে, আমার নেবে না।
অপর্ণা, তোমার কাছে আমি 7 জন্মের ঋণী হয়ে রইলাম। তোমার জন্য আমি খোকাকে পেয়েছি। তুমি বাবার সাথে বিদেশ যাচ্ছ, কত নতুন নতুন দেশ।
This is it's based on a novel which is like an epic. It's a part of every household of every Bengalis, you know. It's the novel, name of the novel is Oporajito. So Mr. Ray has touched only the first 2/3 of the original novel, which was written by Mr. Bibhutibhushan Bandyopadhyay, which is a classic. So I'm a voracious reader. So when I was reading the actual novel, so I find out, you know, there 1/3 portion is still left, where the journey continues, but Mr. Ray did not touch it. So that's as a filmmaker, he might have found it according to him, the Apu's journey has ended, you know, from his birth to, you know, till his birth of his own child. So that's the journey he covered. But in the original novel, they're still left, where Apu is a father right now, and he is reliving his entire childhood through his son, Kajol, who is a 6-year-old kid. So this is basically a bonding between a father and son. This is a father and son story. And, you know, and he travels quite a lot, you know, with his son. He goes to Banaras and his own ancestral village. And ultimately, he went to the Southeast Asia, you know, in search of much bigger truth. And this actually, you know, and for the Apu Shongsha, the last part of the trilogy, which was in 1959, and it's 60 years, nobody has tried it, you know, the last part of it.
मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ओप्पू का किरदार मैं निभाऊंगा, तो इट इज़ ये तो सभी जानते हैं कि इट्स एन ऑनर, इट्स अ वंस इन लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी। आई एम प्रिविलेज्ड टू बी हियर। कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इफ़ी में मैं आऊँगा। इट्स माय फर्स्ट टाइम इन गोवा, फर्स्ट टाइम इन इफ़ी। सो आई थैंक द प्रोड्यूसर, द मेकर, आई थैंक ऑल द मेकर, नॉट जस्ट द डायरेक्टर, नॉट जस्ट द प्रोड्यूसर, मुझे चुनने के लिए। सो इट्स अ मैसिव ऑनर, दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से।
I have played the character of Aparna, and I'm really, really very happy to be here today. And I really thankful to my director, my team for choosing me, for believing me. It was amazing experience, I would say.
এই জন্মে তোমার সঙ্গে দেখা হবে সে আশা করিনি।
আজিকার এই উষা লগ্নে মৃত্যুর নব রূপ দেখিতে পাইলাম।
Incidentally, 2021 is the birth centenary of Mr. Ray, and the last year was the birth centenary of Ravi Shankar ji. So it's really a very happy coincidence. My film Avijatrik, and it's the right moment at the right place actually. So I really feel blessed, and it's obviously, I mean, this Apu trilogy is supposed to be the greatest ever film made in Indian language, period. So. So obviously, it's paying homage to Mr. Ray is actually, I mean, we are honoring ourselves.
Ladies ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the red carpet, and I have with me the team behind the 14th February and beyond. This film has actually traveled to 10 countries and is back here in India now at IFFI, Goa. I have with me the director, Utpal Talal. Utpal, and your team as well. There's the cinematographer, Kaustav. Kaustav, you can say hi to everyone on camera. We have the cast, Shilpa.
Hi.
And Anup as well is here. So that's the team. Tell me something, Utpal. What has it been like? You've been to 10 countries. You're back here at IFFI. How do you feel?
Yeah. It is actually amazing. And thank you for the lovely introduction to me and for my team. It is absolute an honor to bring the film back to India, because already the film was premiered in January, but the pandemic happened and it pushed everybody apart. But the whole credit to IFFI. They have brought us again together in terms of this wonderful festival, and I got the opportunity to represent my film here, and we had an overwhelming screening. It was very heartening, and it has been really amazing, to bring this film here, the 14th February and beyond. It explores Valentine's Day in many aspects, and everybody loved the film, and we loved to be here at IFFI. It is just been, amazing actually.
Well, it's fantastic having you all here in spite of the pandemic. You mentioned that. And what is your take on this, the hybrid festival that was introduced? It's first for IFFI. What is your take on that?
So it is a wonderful thing, because it makes you prepared for such situation where we can do more of such things. But there is one challenge that is bringing people, creating interest for the hybrid format.
Yes.
So that would be a challenge. And I guess if collectively we all come together, the filmmakers, then the organizers, maybe we can pull out something really amazing in hybrid format as well.
Well, lovely talking to you all, and great having you all at IFFI. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy the closing ceremony. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the team behind the 14th February and beyond. We have a few more guests who are going to be joining us very soon. In a little over 10 minutes, we're going to be having the closing ceremony here at IFFI. It's the wrap-up of 8 fantastic days where we've had some amazing films that have been screened, international and Indian as well, with some really great masterclasses and great events as well happening here at IFFI. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot more going on. You have to stay tuned, because we have to bring you more of the action IFFI is happening here in Goa. And a little bit about Goa. It's been happening in Goa since 2004. IFFI is getting bigger and bigger, and we want you all to stay tuned for all the action. So, ladies and gentlemen, up next, we've got a small video clip on one of the only Sanskrit films that's been screened here at IFFI. The film is Namo, and as you all know, Namo is about a greeting, it's about a welcome, and how we, in our culture, take it so important on us to welcome our guests with such honor. So, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at Namo.
नील नील कृष्ण जय जय नील नीरद कृष्ण नंद नंदन कृष्ण जय जय श्याम मोहन कृष्ण नील नील कृष्ण जय जय नील नीरद कृष्ण नंद नंदन कृष्ण.
Inspired means the Sudama character. Sudama Krishna relations all okay. The central character is Sudama, and I am trying maximum. I am trying to all Indian state technicians or artists, all is Marathi, Rajasthani, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, and Mumbai. I am very proud of this moment. Okay, I am happy. My all crews and all technicians are all is coming here. I am very happy.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
मैम ने बोला था Biswajit Chatterjee? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the red carpet here at the 51st IFFI. We have had fantastic days, 8 days of amazing films that have been shown to us. In spite of the entire COVID pandemic, there's a big kudos to the entire team behind IFFI because they've still conducted IFFI on such a fantastic scale. We've had international delegates come down. Some of them have flown in from Brazil, where they've actually traveled for 7 days just to get here and to be present at IFFI. So that's a lot. That takes a lot of dedication, ladies and gentlemen. We've spoken to some of them already. We're going to be having a lot more dignitaries joining us on the red carpet, a lot more cast and crew of all the films joining us as well. And very, very shortly is the closing ceremony that's going to be happening in the auditorium here. It's a fantastic show that's planned. And also we're going to be giving out the Golden Peacock Awards, the Silver Peacock for the Best Director, the Best Actor Male and the Best Actor Female, the Indian Personality of the Year Award as well, which as we all know has been handed out to Mr. Biswajit Chatterjee. He needs no introduction. He's also going to be joining us very shortly on the red carpet as well. So ladies and gentlemen, IFFI is coming to you live from Goa. We are here at the 51st edition. Last year was the 50-year celebrations of IFFI. This year, the 51 edition is a year of first as well. We've had the first year where we've had hybrid events. And as you heard Mr. Ravi Kotarakara talk about it a little earlier, we're going to be having perhaps that's carried forward into the years ahead as well. And that's a first. IFFI has really shown the way for film festivals around the world by having a hybrid festival for the first time during the COVID pandemic and making sure that IFFI still happened. This 51st edition still happened in spite of the current situation. So ladies and gentlemen, we are happy that you all are joining us and happy to have you all with us. Very, very shortly, we have with us Biswajit Chatterjee. He's won the award for the Indian Personality of the Year. He's going to be on the red carpet with us very shortly. So stay tuned for that while we have a small chat with him about his experience here at IFFI and what he feels about IFFI. So ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we're coming to you from Goa. Goa, the land of sun, sea, surf, and the land of films as well, because this is the home of IFFI since 2004. We've had IFFI here since 2004. It's gone from strength to strength, and we keep continuing more and more. There's lots of entertainment happening. A lot of the delegates have actually been able to go around and experience a little bit of Indian hospitality here in Goa, a little bit of Goan hospitality as well, and experience the spirit of Goa. We have Mr. Biswajit Chatterjee joining us very shortly. He's outside on the red carpet. A lot of excitement. We're waiting to talk to him. He's the winner of the recipient of the Indian Personality of the Year Award, and we're going to have him with us very shortly chatting about his experience here at IFFI and his time with us. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope that a lot of you had a chance to catch some of the screenings. You couldn't perhaps come and join us here at IFFI on location, but perhaps you had time to watch some of the screenings. We had 50 films that were screened virtually as well in the hybrid format, giving everyone a chance to actually get IFFI into their homes, and that's what we are doing right now as well, coming to you live from the red carpet with all the action. We are going to be here for the next 2 hours because we're going to be screening the closing ceremony. Like I said, everyone's on pins and needles. Everyone's got a lot of excitement because the announcement of the Golden Peacock and the Silver Peacock Awards are coming up as well soon. And joining us right now, we have none other than Mr. Biswajit Chatterjee, the Indian Personality of the Year. He's won the award for the Indian Personality of the Year. Hello, sir. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Sir, can you tell us a little bit about, you've been awarded the Indian Personality of the Year Award, and what is your feeling on this year's IFFI? It's a hybrid event. What do you think about it, sir?
It happened all of a sudden. So I'm grateful to Government of India and the IB Ministry. So they offered me this prestigious award in 2021. I'm very, very thankful to you all, and especially here in Goa International Film Festival.
Yes.
So it belongs to our industry. For that, it's a great honor for me, and I thank all of you, everybody.
Sir, it's a great honor for us to have you with us. Thank you so much for joining me on the red carpet, sir. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy the closing ceremony.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was none other than Mr. Biswajit Chatterjee, the recipient of the Indian Personality of the Year award, and he's about to receive that award right now in the closing ceremony as well. As you can see, still a lot of excitement and action happening here on the red carpet at the 51st IFFI's closing ceremony. This is the end, wrap-up, 9th day of the final day of our 9 days here at IFFI, and the excitement is not over because we're still waiting to see who's going to actually win the Golden Peacock and who's going to win the Silver Peacock Awards for the Best Director and the Best Actor, male and female as well. So waiting to see all that excitement come up as well very, very shortly. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. In a few moments, just a few moments, the closing ceremony is about to begin. A fantastic show is planned. As you can see, most of our dignitaries have entered, most of our celebrities have entered, and we are just waiting to get that started. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be, like I said, coming to the closing ceremony very soon, and we are waiting to see. We are going to be talking to, like I said before, we had a lot of foreign dignitaries who had come down with their films in spite of the pandemic, and a lot of foreign films screened as well. We are going to be watching some of the interviews and some of the bites from them. Take a look, please. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the director of the Rosandra of the film Otto the Barbarian. Rosandra, how has your experience been here at IFFI?
It was such a great honor to be here, and it was so nice to share the film with the public here in such a lovely place, and also with a tradition of seeing films. It was a great joy for us to have our film among so many other great productions.
Well, it's a great joy to have you with us in spite of the pandemic. You made it to Goa and to IFFI, so that's a real honor to have you with us. Could you tell us a little bit about the film?
So Otto the Barbarian is my first feature. It centers on a 17 years old punker from Bucharest who has to face his grief and his feelings of guilt towards the loss of his girlfriend.
Thank you so much. It's really nice talking to you, I'm sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, you heard that was Rosandra from the film Otto the Barbarian. Lots of international films that have been screened, and as you know, very shortly, we're going to be having So, ladies and gentlemen, joining me right now on the red carpet here at IFFI is Anda, the producer of the film Otto the Barbarian. Anda, welcome to IFFI. I mean, it's the last day, but welcome again. We're glad that you could join us in spite of the whole COVID situation. You still came down to India. Can you tell us about your experience here at IFFI?
Yes, I mean, it was first of all unbelievable that we made it here, and that I really appreciated that the festival is going on despite these times. So admirable, and thank you for having us and for doing a live event. It's been great. It's a beautiful city. We've seen films. It's also the first time we've seen our film with an audience in the room, and that was really special. So thank you for having us.
So you've been in Goa for a few days. Have you also had a chance to see a bit of Goa?
Yes, we've been around. Yeah, in between films and visiting around, and it's beautiful. I hope we come back at some time.
Thank you so much. Nice talking to you. I hope you enjoy the closing ceremony. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, right now I have with me Malayalam actor Akhil Sam Vijay. Akhil, please tell us a little bit about your movie that was screened at IFFI.
Oh, thank you. My movie name is Kettiolana and Malaka. It's like we can say in English like wife is my angel. Yeah, it's a very great opportunity for me to work in the movie with all the cast and especially Nisam, the director. I'm very privileged to be here in IFFI. It's my first time. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Akhil. It was really nice having you. I hope you enjoy the closing ceremony.
Thank you,
Thank you so much. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be talking to the cast and crew of another film very shortly. Stay tuned. Thank you. Gentlemen, we have with us now the director and one of the actresses from the first set of the Joanna, Christian and Isabel. Nice seeing you again. Could you tell us a little bit about your experience here over the past few days in IFFI?
Oh, it was a big experience for us and a great opportunity, and we have the opportunity to meet many filmmakers and to learn about Indian culture and to meet many places around. So thank you a lot for inviting us here.
Thank you so much. Lovely to have you all come down. I believe you'll travel 7 days to get here, so thank you so much for honoring us with your presence. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. We have with us Gustavo, the director of the film. We still have the Dead Black Knight. And the actress, could you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, Vanessa Guzman.
Vanessa, right? Could you tell us a little bit about your time here at IFFI, and have you enjoyed yourselves? What has it been like for you?
It was a wonderful experience for us being here in India for the first time, and of course in IFFI. Amazing festival. I'm glad to be here, and I wish to come back more and more to this incredible meeting of cinema and culture, and well, don't have words enough to say how glad I am.
Well, glad to know that you had a good time, and thank you for joining us in spite of COVID, coming down to India and joining us here at IFFI. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the closing ceremony.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have from the film Valentina. That's fine. You can keep it on if it's comfortable. From the film Valentina, right?
Yes.
Sir, could you please introduce?
Cássio Pereira. I came all the way from Brazil to present Valentina at IFFI. It's my first feature film. I'm really honored to be here. It was a great festival. Everything was perfect. That's the first time we're coming to India, so it's been a very special trip to show, and also the possibility to show Valentina to a full audience for the first time. So for us, it was really, really special. We are really excited. Thank you so much for being here, for inviting us.
Thank you for coming all the way down in spite of the current situation around the world, and I hope that you all enjoy the closing ceremony.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nice talking to you.
Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the red carpet here at the IFFI closing ceremony. We shall very shortly be joined by the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Prabodh Sawant, and also the Governor. So we are waiting on them, and we're going to have a small talk with them. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of fantastic films have been screened here at IFFI, and international films, foreign films, Indian films as well. Some of the top films, we spoke to Sandeep Kumar from Merunisa. This is a women-centric film, and we also had an amazing film called Radha, an Eternal Story, which was a short film, animated film. So a lot of really great cinema come out of IFFI this year, and the hybrid format as well. We also pay tribute to the great Satyajit Ray on his birth centenary, and also tribute to Irfan Khan, the very fantastic Irfan Khan. We were honored with the presence of his wife and his son, and we paid tribute to him by a screening of his film Pan Singh Tomar. So ladies and gentlemen, if you were not here to join us, I hope that you were able to join us on the hybrid platform as well and experience IFFI firsthand for yourself, coming to you straight from Goa, from the city of sun, sea and surf, and a lot of the dignitaries, as you heard, the dignitaries talking about as well. They still managed to come down to IFFI. They still managed to come around to IFFI and travel all this way in spite of the pandemic. Please have a look at some of the delegates on what they had to say being here at IFFI. Take a look, please.
As per COVID, we had expected less sale, but even then, the response is pretty good. We have many repeat customers who walk in, who have liked our product, and they have appreciated. So you can say 80% of the public who is coming in, they're coming in for second helpings or third helpings, and we're quite happy. And we're looking forward to the next IFFI also for a better response.
हमको लगा था कि आज इस साल अभी कोविड का साल है, तो हमको पहली बार मेरा ये यहाँ IFFI में स्टॉल लगा हुआ, हमने पहली बार लगा हुआ है. हमको लगा था कि बहुत सेल कम होगा, लेकिन हमारा इस साल बहुत बढ़ाया हुआ है. हम तो पहली बार आए, हमको ये नहीं था कि इतना सेल होगा, लेकिन सेल तो बहुत बढ़िया हो रहा है.
हम लोग इंडियन डिपार्टमेंट से ये शॉप लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे, इसमें हम नॉन वेज और वेज मील्स वगैरह जो सर्व कर रहे हैं गेस्ट लोगों को. पर अभी फ़िलहाल अभी कोविड की वजह से ज़्यादा.
So, ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome back to all of you from the red carpet here at IFFI. We have joining us right now the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant. We are honored to have him with us because he has been the driving force behind IFFI and behind making sure that we could have IFFI this year in spite of the COVID pandemic. All the precautions were taken and all the systems were in place to ensure that everyone was absolutely safe while they came down and experienced some fantastic cinema here at the 51st edition of IFFI in Goa. So, ladies and gentlemen, very shortly we're going to be talking to Mr. Pramod Sawant as well. He's going to be joining us and we're going to get his take on what's to come with IFFI in the year ahead. We are also waiting to see a few more dignitaries joining us for the closing ceremony. We will have the Governor of Goa as well joining us, and that's going to happen very shortly. So please stay tuned. Make sure that you don't go anywhere and that you're right here as well. We are going to be having the Chief Minister with us in just under a few moments. He's just outside right now with the press, getting a few photographs taken, but he will be here in a few moments and we're going to have a chat with him very shortly. He is, like I said before, the driving force behind the fact that we could actually have IFFI this year in Goa, have a live event on the ground, in spite of the fact that there is the COVID pandemic happening throughout the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, bringing to you live from the red carpet, none other than the Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant. He's going to be with us in just a few moments, so stay tuned, stay right there, don't go anywhere. So, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, the hybrid event that has happened is all due to our Honorable Chief Minister. So we're going to have a few words with him and get to know his thoughts on how IFFI has happened this year. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. So we are honored to have you with us. Sir, what is your thoughts on IFFI happening in spite of the pandemic and the hybrid IFFI that we introduced? What do you have to say on that,
First of all, I congratulate both the team, ESG and DFF, for the good organization of the IFFI for the last 9 days. There is a very festive season in the state of Goa. So many actors have come in the state of the Goa. There is one festive festival which is for the last 9 days. I think all the people virtually and actually on the ground also they have enjoyed. So my best wishes for all of them.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant. We have honored to have him with us because he is actually made it possible for us to have IFFI this year and to have IFFI happening on such a fantastic scale in spite of the fact that there's a pandemic happening. He has given us full support and we've been able to have 8 fantastic days of IFFI, some fantastic screenings, films from around the world. We've had delegates come in from all across the world, from Brazil, from France, from so many different countries. Some have traveled for a week to get here, 7 days just to get here to Goa, to India and experience IFFI and all the hospitality that we have to offer. So, ladies and gentlemen, very shortly, in a few minutes, the Chief Minister has actually entered the auditorium and we will be having the opening ceremony, the opening of our closing ceremony and 2 hours of some fantastic entertainment in store. We also will be giving away announcing the Golden Peacock and the Silver Peacock Awards. All that coming to you straight from Panjim, Goa. So stay tuned, lots more action coming here to you from IFFI red carpet as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, like I said before, please stay where you are. Lots of fun, lots of action is going to be happening as well. Right now joining us is the Governor of Goa. We have the Governor of Goa joining us right now as well, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari. He's going to be with us in just a few minutes. So Mr. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is going to be joining us in just a few minutes. He's the Governor of Goa. We're just waiting for him to join us as well for the closing ceremony here on the red carpet at IFFI. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you are staying tuned and into all the action coming to you live from Panjim. Very shortly we shall be starting with the closing ceremony as well, and that's 2 hours of some fantastic entertainment, 2 hours to wind up 8 days of amazing films that have come from around the world. So we have with us right now the Governor of Goa. He's going to be here in just a few minutes and we'll get his take on what he thinks about IFFI. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Chief Minister, Mr. Pramod Sawant, escorting the Governor. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Welcome. Sir, आपको IFFI के बारे में हमारा ये पहला बार hybrid IFFI हुआ है. What is your take on that, sir?
ये IFFI, this international film affair, so I think it will always be fair, And if it is in Goa, it will be more fair, and it may be fairest. So that is my comment.
Thank you so much, sir. What a lovely comment. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was the Governor of Goa giving a lot of humor to his comment here. We've had a very, very fair event here at IFFI, as he said. And I would now like to invite you all to please step into the auditorium for the closing ceremony. As you see, the Chief Ministers enter, the Governor of Goa is entering. Please take a look in the auditorium and enjoy the closing ceremony here at the 51st IFFI. Thank you.
तो जी चलिए, इसके साथ ही हम पहुंच चुके हैं श्यामा प्रसाद स्टेडियम के ऑडिटोरियम के अंदर, जहां पर 51वें इफ्फी का ये जो पूरा एक फिल्म यज्ञ था एक हफ्ते का, उसकी पूर्ण आहुति जो है अभी कुछ ही समय में यहां पर पड़ने वाली है। हमारे सारे माननीय मेहमान ऑलरेडी हॉल के अंदर आ चुके हैं और गोवा के राज्यपाल माननीय श्री भगत सिंह कोश्यारी जी, गोवा के चीफ मिनिस्टर मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, बहुत देर पहले से ही यहाँ पर जानी मानी अभिनेत्री जो चीफ गेस्ट हैं जीनत अमान, वो आ चुकी हैं। भोजपुरी सिनेमा का एक बहुत बड़ा नाम रवि किशन जी जो है वो भी यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं। तो बहुत बड़े बड़े मेहमान जो हैं वो अपनी शिरकत जो है वो यहाँ पर शुरू कर चुके हैं।
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. And as the dignitaries enter the stadium, we can see all the guests and the participants all standing to attention to welcome the Governor and the Chief Minister.
स्टेडियम के अंदर, और वैसे तो कोविड की वजह से जो है अतिथियों का नंबर वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हैं इस समय मैं कहूँगी कि खचाखच भरा हुआ लग रहा है, थोड़ा फीलिंग आ रही है बिल्कुल आज समापन समारोह वाली।
And if you can see 200 people attending this festival, I think there are more crew and technical
so that we can commence our proceedings for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for today. She is an admirable performer and an actress who has worked in television and films for more than 2 decades. She is the first Indian TV actress to be present at the International Emmy Awards in New York City. She served on the jury of the first International Emmy Awards to be held in India in 2005. Please put your hands together for the very lovely Simone Singh.
Ladies and gentlemen and gathered dignitaries, a very good evening to you all. It is an absolute pleasure to be here. We are here to conclude the remarkable and truly phenomenal 51st edition of the International Film Festival of India, IFFI. Same as every year, this year too, IFFI has celebrated some of the finest cinematic works and showcased a bouquet of the best films from India and around the world. What makes this a super achievement this year is that this has been done during extremely challenging circumstances. This has beaten the virus with its spirit and strong will. It is definitely a very special occasion for each of us. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we commence the closing ceremony of the 51st edition of IFFI, may I request you all to please stand for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जल वितरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
51st IFFI के समापन समारोह में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है. We had participants, audience and even our jury members join us virtually, from organizing digital masterclasses with renowned film personalities like Mr. Shekhar Kapoor, Mr. Priyadarshan, Mr. Subhash Ghai, Mr. Tanveer Mukammal, to curating the very special documentary film section for the very first time. From holding film appreciation sessions by professors from FTII to organizing events on the OTT platform for its audience, IFFI has done it all this year. 51st IFFI has been cinematically bigger, better and stronger. And we would like to thank each and every one of you for all of your love and all of your support and for making all of this possible. To start the proceedings of the day, we would like to call upon stage Shri Amit Khare, Secretary, Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, to say a few words, please.
सभी आगंतुक महोदयों को मेरा नमस्कार. गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल द डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट प्रेजेंट हियर. माननीय गोवा और महाराष्ट्र के राज्यपाल श्री भगत सिंह कोश्यारी महोदय, गोवा के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री और स्टीयरिंग कमेटी को अपनी प्रेरणा देने वाले डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी, उनके मंत्रिमंडल के सभी सदस्यगण, भारत सरकार में वन, पर्यावरण एवं जलवायु परिवर्तन के माननीय राज्य मंत्री श्री बाबुल सुप्रियो जी, माननीय सांसद श्री रवि किशन जी, इंडियन फिल्म पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड के विजेता श्री विश्वजीत चैटर्जी जी, मिस जीनत अमान जी, स्टीयरिंग कमेटी के अन्य सदस्य श्री राहुल रवेल, श्रीमती मंजू बोरा, श्री शाजी करुण, श्री रवि कोटारका, यहाँ उपस्थित ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ज्यूरी, particularly Shri Priyadarshan ji and esteemed jury members, members of the Indian Panorama. As the host mentioned, IFFI is special this year as it positions India's ability to organize a film festival in a hybrid mode. यह पहली बार हुआ है पूरे एशिया में कि हमने गोवा सरकार, एंटरटेनमेंट सोसाइटी ऑफ गोवा और भारत सरकार के फिल्म निदेशालय ने मिलकर पूरे एशिया में पहली बार एक ऐसा फिल्म फेस्टिवल किया है जिसमें तकनीक भी है, जिसमें गीत संगीत भी है, जिसमें फिल्म है, और ये भारत के उत्कृष्ट कला को भी दिखाता है, हमारी उत्कृष्ट तकनीक को भी दिखाता है। I feel extremely proud that we have been able to organize this festival flawlessly in spite of the challenge put by the COVID pandemic situation. This festival marks the triumph of human spirit over the disease. Since the first corona case was reported in January last year, the country has come a long way under the leadership of Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister, and we have been able to deal with the crisis in a sustained manner, evolving over the time and particularly using the technology. I, on behalf of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which is the co-organizer with the Government of Goa, would like to welcome and also place on record my appreciation for the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and the entire government for their leadership and in making this happen in a hybrid mode. My friend and colleague Shri Parimal Rai, Chief Secretary, Subhash ji, who is the Vice Chairman of Entertainment Society of Goa, Shri Amit Satija, the CEO, and each and every person who is from Goa have been very active in supporting this film festival in a new mode, which is hybrid. The opening and closing ceremonies and some of the films were in physical form, others were in digital form, and it has been a great success. I really feel thankful to each one of you for this grand success. जैसा मैंने पहले कहा, इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल के आयोजन में पहली बार तकनीक का इतने बड़ा इस्तेमाल हुआ है, और मैं प्रियदर्शन जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद भी देना चाहूँगा, उनका स्वागत भी करना चाहूँगा for leading the digital interface for selecting the awards for the 51st IFFI. Steering committee members Shri Shaji Karun, Manju Bora, Ravi Kotarka and Shri Rahul Ravel are all present here, and they have been guiding us and helping us in selection of the best film possible for our viewers. मुझे ये बताते हुए खुशी है कि न केवल 60 अलग अलग देशों की प्रस्तुतियां यहाँ पर आई हैं, और उससे भी महत्वपूर्ण कल जब देश नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की 125वीं जयंती मना रहा था, तब इफी में भी नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस पर एक विशेष फिल्म का प्रदर्शन किया गया। Academy Award winner Mr. Vittorio Storaro, who has been conferred upon the Lifetime Achievement Award at 51st IFFI. I would also like to extend my greetings to the Indian Film Personality of the Year, Shri Bishwajit Chatterjee. मैं उनका सम्मान करते हुए उनको बधाई भी देना चाहूँगा। 51st IFFI के कार्यकाल के साथ ही हमारे पड़ोसी देश बांग्लादेश के स्वतंत्रता के 50वें वर्ष हो रहे हैं। It is a great coincidence that our IFFI 51st anniversary coincides with the 50th anniversary of independence and liberation of Bangladesh. We have Bangladesh as our country of focus, and I am told that their films have been widely appreciated in this IFFI. Welcome to the delegates of Bangladesh, and thank you very much for being here with us. फिल्मों का कोई भी समारोह सत्यजीत रे की चर्चा के बिना अधूरा ही मानता है। To honor him in his centenary year, आप में से बहुतों को पता होगा, सत्यजीत रे का जन्म 100 वर्ष पूर्व मई 1921 में हुआ था। उनके सम्मान में एक रिट्रोस्पेक्टिव सेक्शन भी इस IFFI में दिया गया, और उनके जो क्लासिक फिल्में हैं उनको दिखाया गया। IFFI also paid homage to 18 film personalities who passed away in the previous year. The great cinematographers such as Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor, SP Balasubramaniam, Soumitra Chatterjee, Sushant Singh Rajput, Basu Chatterjee have all left behind unparalleled legacies, and we had a section on tributes to them. Overall, with या नहीं, आप सब ने मिलकर, हम सब ने मिलकर दिखा दिया कि न केवल IFFI हुआ बल्कि ऐतिहासिक रूप में हुआ। और मुझे लगता है कि विदेशों में जो फिल्म फेस्टिवल स्थगित हो गए हैं, पोस्टपोन हो गए हैं, वो भी अब रुचि ले रहे हैं कि भारत ने इसको कैसे कर दिखाया। एक बार पुनः मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं और IFFI के लिए आपको बधाई देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Shri Khare, for those inspiring words. I think everyone truly appreciates what an absolutely remarkable feat you have achieved by pulling off the 51st edition of IFFI at this scale. I would now like to call upon stage CEO of the Entertainment Society of Goa, Shri Amit Satija, to say a few words and take us through the week that was.
Namaskar, respected Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra and Goa, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister of State, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and Honorable Members of Parliament present today. Guest of Honor, Jeena Taman ji, Shri Bishwajit Chatterjee ji, and other prominent film personalities who are present here. Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, and Secretary of Ministry of Information Broadcasting, Government of Goa, Jury and Steering Committee members, Festival Director, DFF, Vice Chairman, ESG, EC and GB members and my team members from ESG, respected guests, delegates, friends from media and ladies and gentlemen. As we gather together for the closing ceremony of the 51st International Film Festival of India, my thoughts go back to the day when the execution of this festival was put forth in the backdrop of a grand Golden Jubilee celebration held in November 2019 and ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The task required surpassing many obstacles, thorough planning, and support from all quarters to achieve something that many countries in the world were avoiding during the current scenario. The biggest support came from our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who was very convinced from day one that Team ESG can take up this challenge effectively. 51st IFFI will always be remembered as the first step taken towards to prove not only to the world but also to ourselves that we can achieve success against all odds as long as we have the correct attitude and appropriate willpower. In terms of execution, considering the changed circumstances, use of digital platform was further expanded, and in addition to e-ticketing, which was introduced in the last IFFI, screening schedule, film catalogs, and the IFFI Daily Bulletin Peacock were all made available exclusively in electronic digital form. To avoid queues in front of screens, screening of movies was streamlined with new rules, and entry was permitted only with pre-booked e-tickets. All COVID-19 protocols, such as mandatory wearing of masks, thermal screening, alternate seating in auditoriums, etc. were introduced for the safety of delegates and the officials. In addition, show timings were staggered with sufficient gap to ensure regular sanitization of theatres and other venues. Due to COVID-19 scenario, number of available seats got reduced from 2,478 to only 920 this year in the 7 screens of 2 venues, that is Kala Academy and the campus of Entertainment Society of Goa. All such peripheral activities which used to attract large gatherings, such as open-air screenings, cultural event at different places, and activities on Movie River Promenade were not organized, keeping in mind the current situation. We were able to successfully organize 51st IFFI with the help of various departments of Government of Goa and Government of India, guidance by the steering committee members, team of ESG and DFF, and most importantly, with the active support from the delegates and the guests. In this edition, more than 3,200 delegate cards were issued for the physical format of the festival, with maximum delegates coming from Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and not to forget the host state Goa. Whereas in the virtual format, more than 1,000 delegates availed the benefit of watching films, master classes, etc. from the convenience of their home. I'm glad to share that as we reach the culmination of this year's film festival, more than 190 movies were screened over a period of 9 days with an average occupancy rate of 61% in auditorium. 54 screenings were house full, and per day average ticket booking was around 2,200 tickets by around 1,400 delegates who came to watch films. I'll be happy to share that despite pandemic, 39 international guests from 11 countries attended this festival. Now, I would like to play a short audio-visual clip of glimpses from the 9 days film festival for all the guests and viewers who, due to some compulsions, were not physically present for 51st IFFI this year. Thank you. Jai Hind. Can we have the AV, please?
All of you that all sorts of safety precautions have been taken.
को बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि इतने टफ टाइम्स में जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े फेस्टिवल्स कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, उस समय में भी इतनी कन्विक्शन के साथ और इतने बड़े पैमाने पर ये फेस्टिवल करना, उसी स्पिरिट के साथ करना.
But under the circumstances, I think they have done a very good job, and they are following all the safety norms, etc.
Attending IFFI since a long time. This is the first time my film is in the Indian panorama.
Director of the film, Merunissa. We're extremely happy that we are having the world premiere of a film at IFFI.
I'm from Portugal, and I came to IFFI to present the movie Moral Order.
Absolutely marvelous. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for an absolutely awesome 51st IFFI, please. Thank you. We have a message from someone we all adore and look up to. देवियों और सज्जनों, हम बात कर रहे हैं सदी के महानायक श्री अमिताभ बच्चन की. Shri Amitabh Bachchan has come to be more than just a star. He has taken on the contours of a national icon, an international legend, who has been ruling the hearts of all cinema lovers for more than 5 decades. Mr. Bachchan has always offered his support to IFFI and continues to share his guidance with us this year again, when IFFI goes hybrid. This year, he wasn't able to join us physically, but Mr. Bachchan has graced us with his presence virtually. Can we have the AV, please?
नमस्कार, मैं हूं अमिताभ बच्चन। पिछले तकरीबन 1 साल दुनिया उस दौर से गुजरी जिसे शायद ही कोई भूल पाएगा। कोविड के चलते जहां दुनिया रुक सी गई थी, सभी बड़े बड़े कार्यक्रम रद्द हो गए थे, वहां वो सब कार्यक्रम वर्चुअली आयोजित किए जा रहे थे। तो मैं सोच रहा था कि कब स्थिति नॉर्मल होगी और कब आप सबसे मिलने का मुझे अवसर प्राप्त होगा। लेकिन देखिए, ये सब तभी संभव हुआ जब हमारी सरकार ने IFFI को आयोजित करने का निर्णय लिया। चुनौतियों को सफलताओं में बदलना हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हमेशा कहते आए, और देखिए IFFI इसका बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण बन गया। इस बार इसका आयोजन हाइब्रिड फॉर्म में हुआ, यानी आप गोवा पहुंचकर अगर इसमें शामिल नहीं हो पाए तो आप वर्चुअली इसके साथ जुड़ सकते हैं। ऐसे वक्त में जब हम सभी डरकर अपने अपने घर पर बैठे हुए थे, IFFI के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने इसकी तैयारी की और दुनिया भर का बेहतरीन सिनेमा हमारे लिए उन्होंने पेश किया। जैसे कि मुझे मालूम है कि इस बार 60 देशों की फिल्में इस फेस्टिवल में आईं और सबसे बड़ा आकर्षण बनी देश भर से विभिन्न भाषाओं में इंडियन पैनोरामा में चयनित फिल्में, जैसे कि तमिल, तेलुगु, मराठी, आसामी आदि। मैं IFFI को आयोजित करने में और उसे सफल बनाने में जितने भी लोगों ने अपना योगदान दिया है, उनका मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं, उन्हें धन्यवाद देता हूं। साथ ही साथ मैं सरकार को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ऐसी कठिन परिस्थितियों में, इस मुश्किल घड़ी में भी सिनेमा को जिंदा रखा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। नमस्कार।
Thank you, Mr. Bachchan. It is always an honor to have the industry veterans and leaders bestow their warmth and blessings on us all and share their knowledge with us. So thank you, sir, for those very encouraging thoughts. Films have the power to influence people. We know this. Films have changed society and societal trends. They have introduced new fashions in society. Film dialogues occupy a very real place in our real life. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है। या इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? These iconic dialogues have all found a place in the everyday interactions of normal people. People talk and walk like their favorite actors, और तो और अपने बाल भी अपने favorite superstars जैसे बनाते हैं। फिल्मों की यही ताकत दर्शाने के लिए आज हम आप सभी को एक ऐसे सफर पर ले चलेंगे जिसमें आपको 50s की फिल्मों से लेकर अब तक की फिल्मों का सुपर पावर नजर आएगा। सो देवियों और सज्जनों, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं फॉर आवर परफॉर्मर्स दिस इवनिंग।
ನೋಡಣ್ಣ ಬಾ ಚಿನ್ನ ಮೋಹನ್ನ ನೋಡಣ್ಣ ಬಾ ಚಿನ್ನ ಮೋಹನ್ನ ನೋಡಣ್ಣ ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ನಾನಿವ್ನಿ ನನಗಾಗಿ ನೀನೇ ನಮಗ ಕಾದೈತೆ ಸುಖಂ ನಮ್ನೆ ಸವಿಯೋಣ ಬಾರೋ ಎನ್ನಾಣೆ ಮದುಮಗನೆ ಬಾ ಚಿನ್ನ ಮೋಹನ್ನ ನೋಡಣ್ಣ ಬಾ ಚಿನ್ನ ಮೋಹನ್ನ ನೋಡಣ್ಣ
ಬಾ ಚಿನ್ನ ಮೋಹನ್ನ ನೋಡಣ್ಣ ಬಾ ಚಿನ್ನ ಮೋಹನ್ನ ನೋಡಣ್ಣ प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है
प्यार किया तो डरना क्या जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या प्यार किया कोई चोरी नहीं की प्यार किया कोई चोरी नहीं की छुप छुप आहें भरना क्या जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या जब प्यार किया तो डरना गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला गजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे अपना बना ले मेरी जान हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान आई पापा आंखें थोड़ी आंखों में प्यार लेके चढ़ती जवानी की पहली बहार लेके दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान
பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடும் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பாலிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பாலிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா பாட்டு பாடவா பாட்டு பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா
सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम
తగిలింది హాయి హాయిగా ఉంది
పగలు రేయిగా మానింది పరువం పురకలో వేసింది చేయి చేయి తగిలింది హాయి హాయిగా ఉంది
పగలు రేయిగా మారింది పరువం పురకలు వేసింది
जवान जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया जवान जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया शिकार खुद यहाँ शिकार हो गया ये क्या सितम हुआ ये क्या जुल्म हुआ ये क्या गजब हुआ ये कैसे कब हुआ न जानू मैं न जाने वो आहा जवान जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम
बन का जीना फिर तो है जाना एक बन का जीना फिर तो है जाना तोहफा क्या लेके जाइए ये बताना खाली हाथ आए थे हम खाली हाथ जाएंगे बस प्यार के दो मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे तो हंस क्योंकि दुनिया को एहसाना है मेरे दिल तू गाए जा आए आओ मेरे दिल तू गाए जा आए आओ
इश्क है एक तूफान इश्क के आगे बेबस है दुनिया में हर इंसान इश्क में सब दीवाने हैं इश्क में सब हैरान इश्क में सब कुछ मुश्किल है इश्क में सब आसान देखो प्यारे ये नजारे ये दीवाने ये परवाने हैं इश्क में कैसे
हाय तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे
नहीं, अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। अल्लाह से बन के कफन जब चुनिया, तन के मौत नू बचा, मारे न थर थर कंबदे सारे। तेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो कर मैं ये दोबारा, चुनूंगी आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को, चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा। चक्का जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां, चक्का जिते चक्का जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां, चक्का जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां, के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा सूरमा सूरमा।
To our wonderful performers, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to say thank you for that absolutely rousing, energetic and exuberant performance by these fantastic dancers. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, who are all backstage now, and ladies and gentlemen who are in front of the house. The 51st edition of IFFI also celebrates those legends and stalwarts who have contributed immensely to the art of cinema. They have given all of us innumerable memories which are going to stay with us forever. On this very special platform, we would like to give a special mention to a legend. During our opening ceremony, Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shri Prakash Javadekar, announced the winner of this year's Indian Personality of the Year Award. Ladies and gentlemen, please give the warmest applause for the 51st edition of IFFI's Indian Personality of the Year, Shri Biswajit Chatterjee. He is an Indian actor, producer, director, singer and politician, known for his work in Hindi and Bengali cinema. He is famous for his roles of Kumar Vijay Singh in 1962's thriller 20 Saal Baad, Raja Amit Kumar Singh in 1964's musical drama Kohra, Ashok in 1964's romantic film April Fool. IFFI would like to express our deepest gratitude to Shri Biswajit Chatterjee for his invaluable contribution. Can we have the AV, please?
আমি বিশ্বজিৎ, আমার আসল নাম বিশ্বজিৎ চট্টোপাধ্যায়। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। एज ए कलाकार, एज एन आर्टिस्ट मैं कुछ बनना चाहता था, और वो बनना चाहता था सिर्फ बंगाल में नहीं, मैं
शुरू से मेरा दिल में एक था कि मैं ऑल इंडिया एक्टर बनूं। इंडियन होके बांग्लादेश की पहला जो फीचर फिल्म है जो थिएट्रिकल रिलीज हुई थी, उस फिल्म में मैंने काम किया।
तुम्हारी नजर क्यों खफा हो गई।
अगर कोई अंदर से मतलब दिल से अगर उसके अंदर इतना मतलब सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है कि हाँ मैं कुछ बन सकता हूँ, उसके सामने जितनी भी मुसीबतें आए वो अपने आप पे भरोसा रखे और अपने ट्रैक से ना हिले, उसी ट्रैक पे रहना चाहिए, डट के रहना चाहिए और उसको अचीवमेंट अल्टीमेटली उसको मिलेगी।
माँ जी, ये आप कैसे भूल गए कि आपका एक वो बेटा भी है जिसने जन्म देने वाली माँ की सूरत को आपकी सूरत में देखा है।
कहीं करती होगी वो मेरा इंतजार।
आपको जब वो रोल डायरेक्टर ने आपको दे देंगे, आप ऐसे उसको निभाओ कि इससे बेटर दुनिया में और कोई नहीं निभा सकता। आई एम द बेस्ट। वो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप सेट पे आओ।
बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए।
आर्टिस्ट की जो प्यास है वो मैंने आपको बता दी, वो खत्म नहीं होती है, आखिरी दम तक खत्म नहीं होता है।
नजरों से कह दो जी निशाना चूक ना जाए, जरा नजरों से कह दो जी।
कोई भी मेरे ख्याल से कोई नहीं बोलेगा मैं जो भी मिला मैं सेटिस्फाइड हो गया हूँ। ऐसे सेटिस्फाइड आर्टिस्ट नहीं होते हैं कभी भी।
जरा नजरों से कह दो जी निशाना चूक ना जाए, जरा नजरों से कह दो जी। मजा जब है तुम्हारी हर अदा का दिल ही कहलाए, जरा नजरों से कह दो जी निशाना चूक ना जाए, जरा नजरों से कह दो जी।
To do the honors and felicitate this true legend, I'd like to invite on stage the Governor of Goa, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari, Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Shri Babul Supriyo, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Amit Khare, Chief Secretary of Goa, Shri Parimal Rai, and Member of Parliament and actor, Shri Ravi, to come on stage to felicitate Shri Biswajit. Please welcome on stage the man of the moment, Shri Biswajit Chatterjee.
इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर डरता है दिल। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल। प्यार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
न चमकेगा कभी।
Thank you to all our dignitaries. May I request you to return to your seats, please? Thank you, sirs. I think these gentlemen are looking for a photo op. Thank you to our dignitaries. And Shivajit Chatterjee, it is an absolute privilege to have your presence here, and we'd be delighted to.
It'll be an absolute honor for all of us to listen to this huge personality of Indian cinema, a legend in his own right. It's special for me to be the MC and to request for all of us. Vishwajit Da.
नमस्कार, मैं आप सब लोगों का आभारी हूँ। मुझे ये प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड दिया गया, उसके लिए मैं भारत सरकार को और अभी मिनिस्ट्री को मैं दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ, धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ। यहाँ हमारे महाराष्ट्र के ऑनरेबल गवर्नर साहब आए हुए हैं, उनको भी हम मेरा प्रणाम, और गोवा का ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब, उनको भी मेरा प्रणाम। बाकी जितने भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार और बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं यहाँ ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि एक एंटरटेनमेंट का माहौल बन चुका है। मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा कि ये साल हमें पता चला बांग्लादेश हमारा फोकस कंट्री है। मेरा संबंध है बांग्लादेश के साथ। जब के ऊपर बहुत हमला हो रहा था, उस टाइम में मुंबई में मेरे साथ जीनियस डायरेक्टर ऋतिक घटक थे, वो मेरे घर पर ही रहते थे। मुझे सजेस्ट किया कि बांग्लादेश में हम लोग सुनते थे रात भर वो बंगबंधु शेख मुजीबुर रहमान साहब का वो भाषण, मैं बांग्ला में बोल रहा हूँ, घरे घरे दुर्ग गड़े चलो, उधर हमरा भाते मारबो, उधर हमरा पानीते मारबो। तो ये सब जो बंगाली में जो भाषण, ये सुनते सुनते हमारे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते थे। तो ऋतिक दा ने बोला कि विश्वजीत, हम तो फिल्म के हैं, एक फिल्म हम क्यों नहीं बनाए। तो हमने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म ऋतिक दा को लेकर बनाया, देयर फ्लोज पद्मा द मदर, जो मैंने दुर्बार गुजी पद्दा इन बंगाली। तो मैं ढाका में बंगबंधु को जाके उनके हाथ में समर्पण किया। इमीडिएटली उन्होंने आईबी मिनिस्टर को दे दिया वो चलाने के लिए। उसके बाद बंगबंधु ही वॉज वेटिंग आउटसाइड फॉर मी। मैं इतना खुश नसीब हूँ कि इतना बड़ा एक इंसान जिन्होंने बांग्लादेश बनाया, वो मेरे लिए खड़े हैं। फिर वो मुझे अंदर लेकर गए बंग भवन में। मैं अंदर जाकर ऑफिस में देखा, वहाँ दो पेंटिंग, एक है कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का और एक है कल जिनका जन्मदिन था, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस का, तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ये दो क्यों? बोला गुरुदेव तो विश्व कवि हैं, उनका तो रखना ही है, पूरी दुनिया उनको पूजा करते हैं। और मैं कलकत्ता में मैंने पढ़ाई की, इस्लामिया कॉलेज में मैंने पढ़ाई की, और नेताजी मेरा पॉलिटिकल गुरु है, इसलिए उन्होंने जो लड़ाई किया उस में वो जीते और बांग्लादेश बना। और बाद में वो मुझे धानमंडी के घर में लेकर गए, हमें खाना खिलाया। उस समय में मुमताज़ अली एक थे बांग्लादेश के फिल्म मेकर, उन्होंने मुझे लेकर एक फिल्म बनाई जो अभी जो आपने पोस्टर देखा, रफ्ताक तो बांग्ला। उसमें मेरी हीरोइन थी अबूरी चौधरी और मुस्तफ़ा साहब, सुल्ताना मेरी किया था, और म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर थे सलील चौधरी। उसमें लता जी ने गाना गाया, मेरी सिस्टर के लिप में उनका गाना था। वो गाना बांग्लादेश में बहुत पॉपुलर भी है। हमार दादा भाई चिंते पारो की हमार बोन। तो ये है बांग्लादेश के साथ। और मुझे बांग्लादेश में जो सम्मान मिला, जो प्यार मिला, वो मैं ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं भूल सकता। ये मैंने बांग्लादेश के लिए बोला इसलिए क्योंकि मैं भी, मेरे जो मामा की तरफ से हैं, हमने सुना है वो का विक्रमपुर से हैं, बंगाल में सेटल किया था। तो इसके लिए हम एक ही हैं, एक ही भाई हैं, कोई बांग्लादेश और भारत। और मैं यहाँ ज़्यादा बात, ये अवार्ड जो मिला मुझे, ये अवार्ड पाने के बाद एक एक अवार्ड जो होता है आर्टिस्टों का ज़िंदगी में, हमने 1962 मिला था नेशनल अवार्ड, जो मैंने डॉक्टर राधाकृष्ण बंगला फिल्म दादा ठाकुर के लिए विज्ञान भवन में हमने लिया था। और एक इंसान का नाम मुझे बोलना ही पड़ेगा, जिनके लिए आज मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ। वो थे जिनका हाथ पकड़ के, उनका नाम थे बहुत बड़े सिंगर, बहुत बड़े म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, बहुत बड़े प्रोड्यूसर और बहुत बड़े इंसान, अच्छे इंसान। उनका नाम था हेमंत कुमार। वो मुझे लेकर आए मुंबई में बंगाल से 20 साल बाद फिल्म में। उसके बाद उन्होंने कोहरा बनाई, राहगीर बनाई। राहगीर में भी मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड के लिए चुना गया था। तो मैं सब लोगों का आभारी हूँ। मुझे ये जो अवार्ड मिला है, गोवा में पहले भी आया था मैं 7-8 साल पहले गोवा फिल्म फेस्टिवल में। इस बार मुझे अवार्ड, मैं मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और बहुत बहुत प्यार दे रहा हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, sir. It's an absolute inspiration and an honor to be in your presence. Thank you for being here. In the history of IFFI, the 51st edition stands out as the most special one. This year, IFFI stood victorious against the terrors of the pandemic. And to share this experience, I would now like to invite the man behind this venture, who was determined from the very beginning that IFFI will be celebrated and hosted in Goa with all the proper precautions in place, and that willpower will stand against all odds. Please welcome with a huge round of applause the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant.
For the closing ceremony of the 51st IFFI, Honorable Governor of Goa and Maharashtra, Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, Honorable Union Minister for the State Environment and Forest Climate Change, Sri Babul Supriyo ji, Chief Guest for today's function, Sri Janata Manji, the Guest of Honor, the Member of Parliament, Sri Ravi Kishan ji, Vice Chairman for the ESG, Sri Subhash Faldesai, DFF and Festival Director, Sri Chaitanya Prasad, the Secretary for the Information and Broadcasting, Sri Amit Khare, CEO of the ESG, Sri Amit Sateja, Chief Secretary for the Goa, Sri Parimal, my team member, jury members, steering committee members, respected guests, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening for all of you and welcome for the closing and award ceremony for the 51st International Film Festival of India in state of Goa. 9 दिनों के शानदार कार्यक्रम में हमने बेहतरीन सृजनशीलता और कल्पना का समावेश देखा है। ये केवल सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर ही नहीं बल्कि धरातल पर भी नजर आया। कोरोना के महामारी दौर में फिल्म और मनोरंजन की जगत में अपना रचनात्मक बरकरार रखा। तमाम दिक्कतों के बाद इतनी मौजूदगी के साथ क्रिएटिविटी बनाने रखने की बेहतरीन इस दुनिया पर फिल्म जगत की शानदार पेशकशी इस कार्यक्रम योगदान गया। मेरी और इंडियन पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ द ईयर सम्मानित श्री विश्वजीत चटर्जी को मैं हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं, जो लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से सम्मानित किए गए और सभी कंपटीशन सिलेक्शन में विजेताओं का मैं बधाई देता हूं। इस कार्यक्रम में पीछे पूरी टीम ESG और DFF के टीम को मैं कांग्रेचुलेट करता हूं। इन्हीं के साथ हमारी सरकार ने सभी डिपार्टमेंट के उन ऑफिशियल्स को भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। कोविड के तमाम बाधाओं के बावजूद भी इस कार्यक्रम को सफलता से एक यादगार बना गया। फिल्म फेस्टिवल के दौरान बड़ी संख्या में फिल्म स्टार तो यहाँ आए ही हैं, इनके साथ ही मैं यह कहना चाहूंगा कि हम गोवा टूरिज्म के लिए नया आयाम देने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं। अब गोवा केवल सन, सैंड और सी के लिए ही नहीं जाना जाएगा बल्कि बहुत ही सुंदर और दर्शनीय स्थलों से भरपूर है। हम गोवा के स्थित तमाम नए पर्यटन स्थलों के साथ इन इको टूरिज्म को भी बढ़ावा देने के लिए कदम उठा रहे हैं ताकि गोवा में अलग अलग अवसर पर आने वाले लोगों को यही आंतरिक सुंदरता देखने मिले। यही हम सुझाने के लिए गोवा के निरंतर विकास के लिए हम निर्धारित लक्ष्य के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। गोवा में फरवरी महीने में 4th इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल इंटरनेशनल बर्ड फेस्टिवल आयोजित करने जा रहे हैं। इसके लिए भी मैं आप सभी को इनवाइट कर रहा हूं। गोवा के नेचुरल ब्यूटी भी इस बर्ड फेस्टिवल के दरमियान देख सकोगे। हम गोवा वासी अतिथियों के लिए हमेशा तत्पर हैं। टूरिज्म, ट्रैवल, होटल इंडस्ट्री सभी इस जुड़ने वाले सभी को बेहतर सहयोग मिला। फिल्म फेस्टिवल में सभी मेहमानों का रुकने का कार्यक्रम और बाकी सभी सफल योगदान देने के लिए मैं सभी का धन्यवाद अदा करता हूं। मैं भारत और विश्व के फिल्म मेकर्स को गोवा में आमंत्रित करता हूं कि गोवा शूटिंग लोकेशन बने, गोवा फिल्म का डेस्टिनेशन बने, यही मैं चाहता हूं। इसी तरह से हमारी सरकार हर एक तरह का सहकार्य फिल्म शूटिंग, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए हमारे एंटरटेनमेंट सोसाइटी ऑफ गोवा, द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा की तरफ से सभी का सहकार्य हमेशा के लिए रहेगा। मैं पूरे अगला फिल्म फेस्टिवल गोवा में 52nd फिल्म फेस्टिवल इससे भी ज़्यादा बेहतर बनाने के लिए हमारी पूरी कोशिश रहेगी। मैं फिर से एक बार इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल यशस्वी बनाने के लिए हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी, हमारे इंफॉर्मेशन और ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्टर कोविड के महामारी होते हुए भी पूरे जग भर और पूरे आशिया खंड में कौन सा भी फेस्टिवल नहीं होने जा रहा है, फिर भी हम आगे होते हुए इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल को अच्छी तरह से वर्चुअल और हाइब्रिड मोड में बनाया। इसीलिए DFF इनको धन्यवाद देता हूं। और लास्ट में इतना ही कहूंगा कि पूरे वर्ल्ड जब कोविड के महामारी से जाते हुए हमारा देश इस कोविड के महामारी के ऊपर मात करके कोरोना वैक्सीन के लिए आगे आ चुका है। 2 वैक्सीन के राउंड हो चुका है। इसीलिए मेरी स्पीच खत्म करते वक्त इतना ही कहूंगा कि कोरोना हारेगा, भारत जीतेगा। Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Pramod Sawant. And now, to grace us with his presence, I would like to request the esteemed Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Shri Babul Supriyo, to address the audience.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency, the Governor of Goa, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, a very affable, smiling man. Me how many films he has watched in the 1962-63, 9 at a once. So, you know, those stories really make me nostalgic. Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, another very affable, smiling personality. Dr. Member of Parliament, the dynamic Ravi Kishan ji. Secretary, Minister of Information and Broadcasting, who's now become familiar with Goa, has become very familiar with Amit Khare. Chairman of the International Jury, Mr. Pablo Cesar, esteemed jury members, esteemed guests and dignitaries. I must mention Zina Tamanji sitting right there, as Dada Vishwadi Chatterjee, we honored as more so as Bengali. I can see Priyadarshan ji, I can see Rahul Ravel ji. My apologies to anyone I may have missed mention right now. There are a lot of Information Broadcasting Ministry, as you can see, they have organized this hybrid film festival. I think one of a kind achievement in the circumstances that the world is going through. So very well. So obviously they must have given me a very good speech typed in big fonts so that I don't make any mistakes. But I think before I could say a few things of that, I must say that if 2020 has conquered all the ifs and buts to ensure that there's no if when it comes to the closeness and the bonding between human beings, our emotions and cinema. The big screen is something that shows life in a large magnitude, but it also magnifies all the emotions that we have within us. It entertains, it makes us cry, it makes life in a different manner when great directors, producers make films to enlighten us, educate us, like many from India have not only made in the last few years, but also continue to showcase films in great platforms like this, where we celebrate world cinema, where India, who makes the largest number of films in the world, gets together in harmony with the rest of the world in showcasing great work that they have done, even in this particular year of the pandemic, which has really caused havoc among human beings and human minds, every way, emotionally, financially, physically, mentally, every way. So cinema remains one of the great forces that keeps our mind sane. It keeps us, in a positive frame of mind, and obviously it's a great feat. I would really want to congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod ji, for making this possible. As the captain of the ship, he has done a great job, and once again, Goa must be congratulated for being indispensable to IFFI without any ifs and buts once again. I'll definitely read out some important stuff from what I've been given, but these are things that really I needed to say from my heart. Yes, we do have one. So here, let me read out the first one. 51st International Film Festival of India. I extend my heartiest welcome to one and all present here. Cinema provides a powerful medium to strengthen the bond between diverse cultures. I think I've already mentioned that. It has remarkably showcased the vast richness of cultural diversity, beautiful landscapes, beautiful men and women, beautiful music, beautiful choreography, beautiful cinematography, and everything. India today makes the largest number of films in the world. We must acknowledge that, and it's a great feat. Cinema has emerged as a perfect platform for excellence. That's because we do make excellent films. You cannot achieve excellence without excellent work, and I think everyone needs to clap for themselves for doing what they have done for Indian cinema. I heard only 2 claps. If you could increase that, yeah. Thank you so much. You know, that comes from free, and we are all free heart, because cinema gives you freedom of a different kind. This year, you know, we couldn't go to the cinema halls, but we must acknowledge that cinema came to us. It came to our drawing rooms in different forms, in OTT platforms, on television, and I think that the Information Broadcasting Ministry has done a great job under the leadership of my boss, the sweetest bosses that I've had, Sri Javadekar ji, Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting. He's also given me the honor to be present in today's function on his behalf, and you know, deliver a speech to all the dignitaries present here. It's an honor. We all have seen that the Indian Film Personality of the Year went to Vishwajit Da. You know, with whatever he has done for Indian cinema. In Bengali we say Vishwajit Da. The Da comes after the name. For him, after, you know, whatever he has done, you can add another Da. It's the Vishwajit Da. So congrats Vishwajit Da. It has been a great honor to present you the award. We also have with the chief guest of the function. I don't need to say it is written glamour icon of Bollywood, Zeenat Aman ji. I think that's a given thing. You don't say the ferocious tiger or a very good-looking peacock. You know, Zeenat Aman is Zeenat Aman. Born as a noun, has worked hard to be a proper noun, but I'm very sure that she goes and resides in our hearts as an adjective for all the future generations to come. IFFI just isn't a film festival. It's a platform where we show diversity and robustness of Indian cinema, as well as celebrate the marvels from all over the world. I feel proud to announce that despite the pandemic, the 51st edition of IFFI showcased more than 200 films from 60 countries, out of which 55 Indian films were premiered, we had 7 world premieres and 17 Asian premieres. The 51st edition of IFFI has given a global roadmap of excellence once again. It has shown it is a management of the research in India under the leadership of our very magnanimous and very confident leadership of our Honorable Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. All excited for a new India, an India that believes in the fact that the show must go on, even if it is on OTT platforms or television screens. The opening film was the Indian premiere of Another Round by Danish filmmaker Thomas Vinterberg. The Midfest film screening is the premiere of Mehrun-Nisa, a movie that narrates the story of a woman's lifelong dream, directed by Sandeep Kumarji. Congratulations. The closing film of the 51st edition of IFFI is the Indian premiere of Japanese historical drama of Spy, directed by Kiyoshi Kurosawa. 51st IFFI, I mean, it's a little sad, personal getting for me. I am 51, and this particular 51st IFFI is always reminding me that I'm 51 across the century. So, but nevertheless, the 51st IFFI also celebrated the centenary celebration of the Maestro Satyajit Ray, who revolutionized cinema by highlighting a unique and oddly contemporary form of storytelling. The more you saw of Satyajit Ray, you realize how less you knew about films. So that's what it is. There's just one last page. These are important information which I need to say. As India and Bangladesh are commemorating 50 years of diplomatic ties this year, we had Bangladesh as a focus country for the 51st IFFI. Rupsha Nodir Make, which in English is Quiet the River Rupsha, by Tanveer Muhammad, was the opening film of this segment. We have paid homage to 19 film personalities who passed away last year. Sadly, we have lost them. Filmdom, film industry, film per se is such a thing that artists and they live on in celluloid. They never die. Their work never die, and we pay our heartfelt homage and love and respect to all of them who we have lost, but whose work remains with us in our hearts. The last paragraph. Finally, I would like to compliment the organizers of IFFI for taking such a bold step in this pandemic situation. I've already said all of this. Making the 51st IFFI a great, huge success. Special mention goes to the CEO of the Goa Film Society. If I get it wrong, I'm surely got it wrong. I'll get it corrected later on. Indian cinema is one of the fastest growing segments in India in terms of both economy and scale, and as a soft power of India that has immense power. I added that. So I don't think cinema is a soft power. It's a soft power maybe because it deals with hearts, but it's definitely a very, very strong and enormous platform and with a lot of power. I hope people who have joined us from different parts of the country and the world have had a great time attending, experiencing this festival, enjoying some great Goanese, Konkani food, which I'm sure was free for all. And whenever you wanted to have it, you have it anywhere that you want to have it in all parts of Goa. Even the stalls that we have in Goa are absolutely safe, and they make great for us to enjoy. Once again, my sincere thanks to everyone for making this prestigious festival a magnificent success story. I read it out of the paper, so without seeing the paper, let me say it from my heart. My heartiest congratulations to all of you, everyone, including our Honorable Governor, who has spent so much of time being with us, the Honorable CM, and everyone else who has taken our time to make this a grand success. Doesn't that sound better? Because films come out of hearts, and speeches, what did he say, should also come out from hearts. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Shri Babul Supriyo. And truly, cinema does have the power to comfort and heal during difficult times. And IFFI celebrates just that. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to invite the 51st edition IFFI chief guest, the respectable Governor of Goa, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari, on stage to speak a few words.
फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया के आज के इस समापन समारोह में हमारे प्रदेश के यशस्वी मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी, हमारे केंद्र के राज्य मंत्री आदरणीय बाबुल सुप्रियो जी, आज जो सम्मानित किए गए और जिनको सुन के मुझे एकदम बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। मैं सिनेमा तो कम देखता हूँ, अभी बाबुल कह रहे थे कि उन्होंने 1962 में बच्चे जब दिखा रहे थे तो वो क्या मुगल आजम का गाना तो मुझे एकदम पुरानी याद आ गई बिल्कुल। आफ्टर 69 दादा आई हैव नॉट सीन एनी फिल्म एनी मूवी, तो मुझे बहुत याद आ गई। मुझे लगा कि शायद मुझे फिल्म देखते रहना चाहिए था। से आदरणीय विश्व चटर्जी साहब, आदरणीय जीनत अमान जी, हमारे मित्र सांसद रवि किशन जी, हमारे सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरी श्री अमित खरे जी और सभी यहाँ उपस्थित हमारे सभी पदाधिकारीगण, उपस्थित भाइयों और बहनों, मैं आप सब लोगों को बहुत बधाई देता हूँ और विशेष करके हमारे यंग चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत को कि उन्होंने इतना साहस किया कि कोरोना काल में भी उन्होंने कहा नहीं, गोवा में इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल होकर रहेगा। और हम सबका सौभाग्य, इनका सौभाग्य है कि इनके ऊपर जो आज देश का संचालन कर रहे हैं, जो मैं सोचता हूँ कि जिनका जो संकल्प है वो शायद हिमालय से भी ज़्यादा कठोर है, कड़ा है। तो ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री के रहते और उनके प्रेरणा से और भाई प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी केंद्रीय मंत्री के सहयोग से सबसे अधिक आज जो फिल्म जगत के all over the globe, all over the world, because I am told that here are more than 60 films were presented here. तो ऐसा एक प्रकार से इस कोविड काल में आप सब लोगों ने साहस के साथ और इतना काम किया, इतना सुंदर प्रदर्शन किया। मैं आप सब लोगों को अपनी ओर से बधाई देता हूं। और सर्वप्रथम मैं दादा को, आप अभी सुप्रियो कह रहे थे कि आप विश्वजीत दादा है, तो आमी ऑल्सो भगत दादा। हाँ, हमारे पहाड़ में भी भगत दादा बोलते हैं, भगत सिंह कोश्यारी कोई नहीं बोलता है। तो कुछ तो सिमिलरिटी है, सिमिलरिटियाँ ऐसी होती हैं समानता। मैं आपको इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ ये कि दादा ने मुझे भी बांग्लादेश के बारे में बोला, सुप्रियो ने भी बांग्लादेश के बारे में बोला। मैं जब दादा बोल रहे थे तो रहा था साड़ी पहने हुए, तो हमारे वहाँ डायरेक्टर जो अधिकारी थे उन्होंने मुझे कहा साहब बांग्लादेश के मंत्री है और ये जो हमारा लाल बहादुर शास्त्री इंस्टीट्यूट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स का मंत्री में उसमें भाषण देने आई थी। उस भी मेरा उन्होंने परिचय करा, मिनिस्टर है और नाउ इट इज मेंबर पार्लियामेंट। तो मैंने उनसे पूछा, ऐसे ही मुझे दादा बहुत ज़्यादा बंगाली नहीं आती है पर थोड़ा सा 2-4 शब्द आते हैं। तो मैंने कहा दीदी आपने हिंदी बुझबेन? मैंने दीदी आप क्या हिंदी जानते हैं? तो एकदम बोली हिंदी नहीं जानते, हम सब बांग्लादेशी तो हिंदी सिनेमा देख। यू कैन इमेजिन कि अभी जब हमारे द ग्रेट अमिताभ बच्चन बोल रहे थे तो मुझे लगा कि चूंकि इट इज ए इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल एंड अमिताभ विल बी स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश ओनली, परंतु वो तो अंग्रेजी का एक शब्द भी नहीं बोले। यानी क्या कमाल है, वो क्या कमाल है। मुझे लगता है बांग्लादेश का आज़ादी का 50वां वर्ष है और इस इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल का हिंदुस्तान में ये भी 50वां और 51 ईयर है, लगभग समान है। तो कम से कम दादा नहीं तो हमारा सुप्रियो तो कुछ कोशिश करेगा कि आफ्टर 10 ईयर, आफ्टर ए डिकेड ऐसा लगने लगे कि देश दो है, देश हमारे दो है परंतु हम दोनों की आत्मा एक है। अगर आपका फिल्म के साथ देखा देगा तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि विल क्रिएट ए न्यू वर्ल्ड एंड दैट यू कैन डू। यू आर द क्रिएटर्स, आई एम नॉट ए क्रिएटर। आई सिंपली स्पीक, आई गो एंड गिव स्पीचेस, नथिंग मोर देन दैट। तो एक प्रकार से ये जो हमारा ताकत है, इस ताकत को इस सिनेमा ने, और आप आश्चर्य करेंगे जब मैं नेपाल जाता हूँ तो नहीं कोई नेपाली ऐसा नहीं है कि जो हिंदी जानता है। आई सरप्राइज, क्या है? बोले साहब हम सिनेमा तो सब हिंदी देखते हैं। और ये मॉरिशस और ये सब देशों के तो बात ही छोड़िए, वहां तो वैसे बहुत देखते हैं हिंदी लोग। तो एक प्रकार से जो हमारा सिनेमा है ये कैसे इट इज यूनाइटिंग आवर कंट्री and it is not only uniting our India but probably it is uniting all the neighboring countries also। सारे पड़ोसी देशों को भी एक कर रहा है। तो मैं इसलिए भारतीय सिनेमा को अपना प्रणाम करता हूँ, अभिनंदन करता हूँ। और छोटे छोटे बच्चे जितने उत्साह के साथ काम कर रहे थे उन बच्चों को आज मैं अगर यहाँ नहीं आता प्रमोद जी तो मैं कहाँ, मैं तो रूखा सूखा सूफी आदमी। दादा आपने बुझबेन सूफी नो इंटरेस्ट इन साहित्य कला एवं संगीत है, ऐसा सूखा आदमी देख करके मुझे लगा कि बुढ़ापे में हाँ मुझे भी बचपन में तो कुछ आता ही होगा ऐसा। तो एक प्रकार से ये जो अवसर होते हैं, ऐसे जो फिल्म फेस्टिवल है, एनी फेस्टिवल, ये कुछ न कुछ शो करते हैं, कुछ न कुछ सिखाते हैं। और इस फेस्टिवल के माध्यम से, इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल के माध्यम से दो चीज़ें हैं। एक तो ये कुछ नई चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती हैं, और एक ये कि भाई हम सीमित नहीं हैं, हम पूरे विश्व के एक हैं। सारा विश्व इन वन एस्पेक्ट और द अदर, द होल वर्ल्ड इज वन। वी मे हैव गॉट अवर ओन डिफरेंसेस, हो सकता है डिफरेंसेस हो सकते हैं, परंतु अभी हार्ट की बात शायद सुप्रियो कह रहे थे, हृदय की बात बोल रहे हैं। ये हृदय ऐसा है, ये हृदय हिंदुस्तान के व्यक्ति का जैसा होगा, कहीं न कहीं वो बिल्कुल अफ्रीका का आदमी होगा तो उसके हृदय में भी कहीं न कहीं वो समानता होती है, कहीं न कहीं अमेरिका के व्यक्ति में वो समानता होती है। इसलिए जब कभी कोविड जैसे संकट आते हैं तो फिर सारी दुनिया सोचती है कि भाई हम अमेरिका की ओर देखें कि भारत की ओर देखें। और आज देखें कि सारा देश, समाज, दुनिया हमारी ओर देख रही है। इसके पीछे का एक ही कारण है, ये जो हार्ट की बात अभी सुप्रियो ने कही। और सचमुच जो सिनेमा जो है, इट डजंट टचेज माइंड, इट टचेज ओनली हार्ट, इट कम्स ओनली फ्रॉम द हार्ट। द कला, द आर्ट कम्स फ्रॉम द हार्ट, नॉट फ्रॉम द माइंड। मस्तिष्क से और चीजें आ जाती हैं, एटम बम आ सकता है और पूरा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आ सकती है, लेकिन ये जो चीजें हैं ये हार्ट से आते हैं, हृदय से आते हैं। और सौभाग्य से हम सब लोग सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि देश इतना हृदय का प्रधान है। इस हृदय देश के अंदर कहीं जाइए, हमारे आजकल महाराष्ट्र में हो, बड़ी सुंदर इतना साहित्य दिखाई देता। आप सब लोग भाग्यशाली हैं कि आप सब जो इसमें भाग ले। जीना जी, मैं आप लोगों को चाहूँगा बहुत जुग जुग तक जियो आप लोग, और एक प्रकार से हमारे समाज का मार्गदर्शन करो, क्योंकि ये जो है क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड है, हमारे देखते रहते हैं, दूसरे को विरोधी करते रहते हैं। क्यों भाई, विपक्ष का नेता ही होता है हर विधानसभा में, हर लोकसभा में। आप क्या वो क्या एक्टर होते हैं, एक हीरो और दूसरा क्या कहलाता है, विलेन। आपका भी होता है, पर अल्टीमेटली विजय आपका भी हीरो की होती है, विलेन की नहीं होती है। तो इसलिए हम सब लोग कुछ इस प्रकार से साहित्य और संगीत के माध्यम से हम समाज को आगे बढ़ा सके। रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर उस सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम का जो उन्होंने उद्घोष किया है, उस सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम का हम भारत में और भारत के बाहर भी हम उसका एक प्रकार से प्रत्यक्ष उसका दर्शन करवा सकें। तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि आप सबका बड़ा योगदान होगा। आप सब लोगों ने मेरे जैसे जिसने कहा, जिसको मैंने कहा कि 62 के बाद जिसने कोई मूवी ही नहीं देखी हो, कि उसका कारण क्या है कि आई ऑलवेज गो ऑन मूविंग। ये रवि है, मुझे प्रधानमंत्री पिछली बार जब 2014 में आए तो सारे एमपीज को कहा बी डिजिटल, बी डिजिटल, बी डिजिटल। तो मैंने बाहर आके एमपी से कहा, देखो भाई आप तो नए जमाने को, यू शुड बी डिजिटल, बट पर्सन लाइक मी ओल्ड एज लाइक दादा। मैंने कहा वी आर ओनली डिजिटल, डिजिटल विजिट, वी विजिट है। तो एक प्रकार से ये जो विजिटिंग है, एक दूसरे के पास जाएं, मिलें, एक दूसरे की कला को सीखें, एक दूसरे की भाषा को सीखें, एक दूसरे को समझने का प्रयास करें। क्या सुंदर है। हमारे महाराष्ट्र में कुछ राजनेता जब बोलते हैं मराठी, मैंने कहा तुम बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो, मैं सबको भी बोलता हूँ मराठी बोलो, सीखो, आग्रह पूर्वक करता हूँ। इन एवरी यूनिवर्सिटी आई हैव सेड दैट आई वोंट लाइक एनी यूनिवर्सिटी टू बी कंडक्टिंग एनी मीटिंग इन इंग्लिश। मैंने कहा आप क्यों मराठी में बोलते हो? नाउ दे ऑल कंडक्ट इन मराठी। मैंने कहा नहीं करते, बोलो ना, है ये स्वाभिमान खड़ा होता है। आज ऐसे हमारे किस प्रकार से एकता पैदा कर रखी है हिंदी सिनेमा, हमारे दादा बोल रहे थे। तो वास्तव में मैं ये बात मैं हमेशा इसी बात को बोलता हूँ। और ये हमारा सिनेमा निश्चित रूप से सारे रीजनल, सारे नेशनल जितने भी है, ये देश को एक करके, और इस देश को हम सब लोग थ्रू आवर कला, थ्रू आवर म्यूजिक, आर्ट्स, म्यूजिक, कला और संगीत और साहित्य, इसके माध्यम से हम इस देश को, जैसे साहित्य में नोबेल प्राइज प्राप्त किया ना उस अंग्रेजों के जमाने में, ऐसे ही साहित्य, संगीत और कला के माध्यम से हम सबसे फिर से नोबेल प्राइज प्राप्त करें, उसमें आगे रहें। आप सब लोगों को मैं फिर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करके सारे हमारे इसकी फिल्म के आयोजकों को और अपने यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री को और उनके साथियों को बहुत धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद श्री भगत सिंह कोश्यारी जी. Thank you so much for your kind words. This year, IFFI presented a few new avenues for all cinema lovers. Besides the 51st IFFI incorporating OTT for the first time, the Indian Panorama section had a great collection of regional cinema as well. Indian cinema से जुड़े एक ऐसे शख्स से आप सभी का परिचय कराना चाहूंगी जिन्हें वैसे तो परिचय की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. He is an actor, a politician and a famous personality. He is a member of parliament from Gorakhpur, UP. शुरुआत भोजपुरी सिनेमा से की, लेकिन इनकी कला ने भाषाओं की बंदिशों को तोड़ा. आज हिंदी, तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा और भोजपुरी में कुल 650 फिल्मों में काम कर चुके रवि किशन को उनके अमूल्य योगदान के लिए IFFI सम्मानित करना चाहता है. May I request the Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Amit Khare, and Chief Secretary of Goa, Shri Parimal Rai, to felicitate our guest of honor, Shri Ravi Kishan, actor and member of Parliament. Please welcome Shri Ravi Kishan on stage and the dignitaries as well with a round of applause. We'd be delighted to hear from you. Please. Yeah. And thank you to our dignitaries.
Good evening, ladies and Honorable Governor साहब ने कहा कि निशब्द हो गया मैं. हमारे यशस्वी मुख्यमंत्री जी यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, आपको मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ, साधुवाद देता हूँ. हमारे पार्लियामेंट में और हमारे केंद्र में मंत्री और सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर के साथ एक बहुत ईमानदार व्यक्तित्व जो इस वक्त कोलकाता में छाए हुए हैं और बंगाल का चुनाव जिताने में और 200 से ज़्यादा सीट लाने के लिए आपको अभी से मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ. IFFI इस गोवा की इस अद्भुत पावन धरती पर हो रहा, एक मैजिकल धरती. इस धरती पर मैंने बहुत शूटिंग, अनगिनत फिल्में की हैं. प्रियदर्शन जी यहाँ बैठे हैं, जीनत जी, हमारे बहुत सारे डिग्निटरीज हैं यहाँ पर. A long history about my career. From drama school, I used to play Sita Maiya in Ram Leela. We have a Ramayana, as you must have heard. So I've started my career as an actor from there. तो वहाँ से लेके हमने I have finished 650 films, started my own long journey. But आज ये मुझे सम्मान IFFI से मिला, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इस मंच पर आके. मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा एक ऐसे व्यक्तित्व को जिनकी वजह से मैं राजनीति में आया, यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को. Yes, otherwise I was doing very well. बाबुल सुप्रियो जी, हम लोग we were neighbors, we were doing very well in our life, comfortable, enjoying, सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था, earning money. I used to shoot every day because I work in all the languages, so I used to be busy 365 days. In every movie, and every day I used to do go. And suddenly, leaving my career on peak and coming into politics was highly only inspired by Mr. Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister, our great Prime Minister. In 2014, and I said, yes, now this is the time to pay back. एक कहावत है कि लौटना है प्रकृति को. आज मैं क्या मेरा पूरा भारत गर्व महसूस कर रहा है। वी प्रोड्यूस आवर ओन वैक्सीन। आज हमारी 2 वैक्सीन आ गई है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत है। आज देश, आज ये इफी फेस्टिवल पूरे वर्ल्ड में फेस्टिवल नहीं हो रहा है, इस भारत में हो रहा है। वो सारी चीजें इस भारत में हो रही, जहां पर मेरे प्रधानमंत्री की सोच है, ईमानदारी है, त्याग है, एक सत्य है, राष्ट्र प्रेम है, और वही सच्चाई। और मैं बड़ा भाग्यशाली हूँ कि मुझे मेरे चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी महाराज भी वैसे मिले, और मुझे एक पावन धरती गोरखपुर की मिली। तो सब कुछ मेरे मन का मिला, और हम लोग इतने सुंदर भारत में इस वक्त हैं, इतने सुरक्षित भारत में हैं। एक बहुत बड़े भविष्य की ओर हम लोग जा रहे हैं, और मैं आप सब लोगों को उस भविष्य के साथ बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ देता हूँ कि हम लोग बहुत सुरक्षित हैं ऐसी सरकार में जहाँ पर हमारे नेता यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं। इफ़ी की पूरी टीम को धन्यवाद, खरे साहब आपको और आपकी सारी टीम के ऑल द मेंबर्स को, सबनो दादा आपको प्रणाम। दादा आज आपने आज हमारा बंगाल मतलब दादा बहुत अच्छा लगा था आपसे। आपके इनके पुत्र भी हमारे बुम्बादा दोस्त हैं, दादा मेरे बहुत पुराने मित्र हैं, तो हम लोगों का बहुत लंबा लोगों का साथ है। जैसे हमारे ऑनरेबल गवर्नर साहब ने कहा कि रवि मेरा मित्र है, ये उनका बड़प्पन है। हम सब लोग को देखते हैं, हम आप लोगों को देखते हैं। जैसे कि बाबुल दादा ने कहा कि इस बेटा की दिल से बोले, हम सब कलाकार हैं, हम लोग दिल से बोलते हैं, और ये मौका प्रधानमंत्री जी ने दिया कि हम कलाकारों को कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचा दिया। मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बना, हम लोगों को लॉ मेकर के उस मंदिर में पहुँचा दिया। आज मैं 650 फिल्म करके इफ़ी के मंच पे आज मुझे जो सम्मान मिला है, मैं ये सम्मान पाके बहुत बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ कि इतने साल की मेरी तपस्या, इतने साल की मेरी मेहनत को आज इतने बड़े भारत सरकार के मंच पर नवाजा गया। मैं आप सबको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
Congratulations and thank you. देवियों और सज्जनों, आज हमारे सम्मान। May I please request Dr. Pramod Sawant, Chief Minister Goa, Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Shri Babul Supriyo, Shri Amit Khare, the Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, to felicitate our guest of honor, Zeenat Aman, for her incredible and unparalleled contribution to Indian cinema. Please welcome Ms. Aman. Ma'am, may I request you please speak a few words to the audience? Thank you, gentlemen and dignitaries.
Namaskar and a very good evening. It's so wonderful to be here at the 51st edition of IFI. Really, we've had some amazing speakers, and I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Governor of Goa, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyar, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, Shri Babul Supriyo, the Secretary Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shri Amit Khare, Festival Director, Shri Chaitanya Prasad, my dear, dear audiences, and of course the media. I want to thank the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, for inviting me to this closing ceremony of IFFI. Celebrating its 51st edition, it continues to honor contemporary filmmakers for outstanding work in cinema and truly leaves a global footprint in the beautiful sandy city of Goa. Honestly, I'm not so talented like Babul Supriyo sir to give an extempo speech and just refer to points. I'm truly just going to read what has been written. Due to the pandemic, the film industry needed resilience, the ahead of me have said, and IFFI is one such institution which could effectively provide it at the right place and at the right time. As we journey towards the world, a glimpse of it can be today with this excellent gathering of film lovers. I am certain that all the international and Indian films selected under IFFI and the ones who will be awarded today are backed with immense hope for a world with better understanding towards multiple issues, cultures, societies, or simply an individual unit of it all. I congratulate and thank all and educating the audience unique and charming narrative. As many speakers ahead of me has the ability to the audience perform its magic in the real world. IFFI is one where the magic of cinema unfolds and each successful edition. Every edition adds to the festival and enhances its reach globally. I wish it a very eventful future filled with delegates and audiences who together create and enjoy the beauty of cinema. I once again thank the Government of India for inviting me to this ceremony and for honoring me with wonderful words. It's very special to be here amongst everybody present, and I wish all of you a great year ahead. Jai. Congratulations, Vishuda. Really. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Saman. You have been and remain an inspiring and truly incredible presence in Indian cinema. Thank you.
I need somebody to just voice.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to give it all up for our technical partners who've been the spine of this entire event and played a major role in the seamless execution of the 51st edition of IFFI. Before that, may we take a moment and have a rousing round of applause for Ms. Aman as she exits the stage, please. She is a treasure and an icon. And now, moving on to felicitating our technical partners, may I call upon stage Mr. Shaji N. Karun, Ravi Kotarakara, Manju Bora, A.K. Beer, and Rahul to felicitate our technical partners, please. like to invite on stage Mayur Sethi, Chief Engineer, Cube Cinema. Please applaud, ladies and gentlemen. These are the people who make events such as these possible. All of the hard work that goes into. And now please welcome Abhinav Johri, Chief Engineer, Plus Electronics. Thank you to our technical partners. And this is Abhinav Johri. Thank you very much, sir. Now please welcome Ujjwal Nirgudkar, Vice President, SMPTE. Thank you to our technical partners. They have made this possible. Thank you for joining us on stage and doing the felicitations. IFFI's promise is to commemorate the finest cinematic works from across the globe. But this wouldn't be possible without our accomplished jury members. The pandemic hasn't taken away the spirits of our participants, audience, and also of our jury members, who were very thrilled to be part of the IFFI jury. Although not here physically, they have shared a special message for all cinema lovers. The video, please. Thank you, dignitaries, and thank you to all of those who made IFFI possible through the years and particularly this year. And now it's time to hear from our jury, who are not here physically, but we do have an AV from them.
Government of the Republic of India, Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Prakash Javadekar, Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant, Festival Director, Mr. Chaitanya Prasad, members of the official jury, dear International Film Festival of India staff and public. On behalf of the official jury, made up of Mr. Priya Darshan, Ms. Rubayat Hossain, Mr. Prasanna Vidnesh, Mr. Abu Bakar Shauki, and myself, I want to thank the opportunity that we have been given to evaluate the films in competition. We are very happy with the wide and varied themes selected by International Film Festival of India for this competition, especially those that make us reflect on individual freedoms, the rights of children, and all the people of this world, the empowerment of women, and the memory of many things that some humans have done, we are sure we never want to happen again. Thank you, International Film Festival of India, for this selection of works rich in content and in aesthetic search.
Hello, everyone. National Film Festival of India. I am Abu Bakr Shauki, jury members in this year's edition. Unfortunately, I was not able to be there with you in the beautiful city of Goa this year, but I wanted to take this chance to thank everyone for picking this wonderful jury and also for giving us the chance to watch 22 amazing films that we really enjoyed over the past week. Thank you for everyone, and I wish you good luck with all the future editions.
Namaskaram. Oh, I'm missing Goan fish curry and Fanny. I envy you because you challenged 19 and came all the way to watch movies, enjoying the Goan food. Big thank you for you. Cinema will not survive if we don't have die-hard fans like you. And I would like to thank the organizers for giving us opportunity to watch 22 films within the span of 7 days. It was hectic, but I think the time we spent, we all appreciate the challenges that these filmmakers have taken. So let's challenge COVID-19 and the world we live in and make good films. Thank you. All the best to you.
Every year, a group of experts comes together from different parts of the world to form the International Jury of IFFI. And they take this very serious responsibility for films across categories. These days have been a creative roller coaster, where brilliance of cinema from all over the world was showcased on a single platform, a screen which hundreds and thousands of people together to watch, to appreciate, and to critique an art form, to be motivated to turn an idea into a great cinematic perspective. And here we are today at the closing ceremony. It is now time to announce and felicitate winning cinema across the categories. And joining us from IFFI's International Jury panel, we have ace filmmaker Mr. Priya Darshan with us today. Sir, may I request you to join us on stage to announce the 51st edition of IFFI winners. With pleasure.
Respected dignitaries off and on the dais. Whatever I wanted to say is already spoken by everybody. Nothing new to say because of that. And that's the truth. But I take this opportunity only to say one thing, that I really appreciate the government of India and government of Goa for taking such a bold step and carrying the show forward. It's not only an inspiration for the entertainment field, this is the attitude we have to take all through in all sections of the society and social movement so that we take India forward. Thank you, and I'm just getting into my job of announcing the winners. Start with award for the best debut director. The name of the film is Valentina, and the film the director is Casio dos Santos. He's a Brazilian.
Can we have the AV, please?
Valentina, posso te fazer uma pergunta?
Claro.
Por que a sua família veio pra cá?
Na verdade, veio eu e minha mãe. Claro, posso pra dona Vânia.
Essas coisas que eu encontro na minha frente.
Algum problema, Valentina? Nada não. Eu queria contar uma coisa pra vocês. Eu não nasci menina.
Congratulations. The winner from Brazil, congratulations to you, sir. He is awarded a silver peacock, a certificate, please remain center stage. A certificate and a cash prize of rupees 15 lakhs. Thank you so much. There's nobody. Yeah. I'd like to invite on stage to present this award Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, please. Congratulations. Congratulations. And how lovely that you came. How wonderful to see you here. Priyadarshan, sir, I believe we have a special mention.
Yes, that is actually, I have to say that there was so many good films and it was very difficult for the jury to really choose what the best out of that. So it was a request from the rest of the jury saying that we have to have a special mention because the film deserves, this particular film deserves a lot. So the special mention award to Bridge, the film. Directed by Kripal Kalita.
Congratulations for the special mention to Bridge. Can we have the AV, please?
হাল্লা বালে মোৰ বেমাৰী মাৰ একমাত্ৰ ভাইটোক কেনেদৰে পোক পালে এই নদীখনে আমাক বহুত কষ্ট দিছে আমাৰ ঘৰ ভাঙি দিলে দেউতা কুকুৰাই লৈ গ'ল ভাইটো এই নদীখনৰ কাৰণে তো বিয়া ভাঙিছে এইখনক গালি নাপাৰিবিও ভাইটো এই নদীখনে আমাক বিয়া ৰাখিছে নদীখন নথকা হ'লে আমি ক'ৰ পানী খালো হয় গৰু ছাগলী কেনেকৈ পুহিলো হয় খেতি বাতি কৰিলো হয় কেনেকৈ আমাৰ ইয়াত দলং আৰু মাথাৰে কেতিয়া হোমা
Congratulations to Bridge. And to present this award, may I invite Honorable Chief Secretary Goa, Shri Parimal Rai, to please come stage. Welcome the director, Kripal Kalita from. He receives a certificate. Congratulations to Shri Kalita. And thank you so much, Shri Parimal Rai. Moving ahead, our next award is for Best Debut Director.
No, we have already. We did the debut director. We have already done.
Okay. So we move ahead now to the Special Jury Award.
The Special Jury Award goes to the film February, and the director is Carmen Kelly Kalev. It's difficult to sometimes pronounce it properly. It's Kamen Kalev.
Kamen Kalev. And?
That's it.
Okay. Can we have the winner's AV, please?
It's not there?
Congratulations to the winners from Bulgaria. A silver peacock, a certificate and a cash prize of rupees 15 lakhs is presented to the winners. Yes? Moving on to our next award. This is for Best Female. And Priyadarshan sir, I'd like to request you to announce this winner.
That is it. So, the best actress, the best actor female is Sophia Trefis for the film I Never Cry.
Congratulations, and let's have the AV, please.
Kayıt na egzamin.
Skąd ci wezmę? Tata poprosi.
Siema.
O, niezły jest.
Ile ty masz lat?
18. Niedługo.
To wróć, jak będziesz pełnoletnia.
Ale ja nie do pracy, ja w sprawie ojca.
To w ogóle co u niego?
Nie wiem. Mam taki układ, że ja nie wiem co u niego, on nie wie co.
Witamy w Irlandii.
Congratulations to Zofia from Poland. This award carries a silver peacock, a certificate and a cash prize of 10 lakhs. And now it's time to announce the award for Best Actor Male.
The best actor male goes to the film Silent Forest. The actor is Sushan Leo.
Can we have the AV, please?
这件事我们要小心处理。是吗？
我不会放着不管。
Many congratulations for winning the award. The winner is presented with a silver peacock, a certificate, and a cash prize of rupees 10 lakhs. Now let's move ahead to our next award. This one is for the captain of the ship. You know it well.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the award for director.
The best director award goes to the director of the film Silent Forest, Koshan Yuan.
Congratulations to Silent Forest. That's 2 in a row. Can we have the AV, please?
教育是一门关于的职业。你们不是在玩吗？
啊！你这做老师的，搁干做伙咧乱。
叫我不可以说出去。有一次，差一点。
Congratulations to the Silent Forest for winning in both categories. Best Actor and Director. The Best Director award comes with a silver peacock, a certificate, cash prize of rupees 15 lakhs. Congratulations. Moving ahead to our next award. This is the last award for this segment, the renowned and much coveted Golden Peacock Award. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the award for Best Film.
The Best Film Award goes to Into the Darkness. So, director is Ray Fan, and the producer is Len Bokan.
Congratulations. Can we have the AV, please, for Best Film? Congratulations to Into the Darkness. Thank you so much, sir. The award carries also the prestigious Golden Peacock, a certificate and a cash prize of rupees 40 lakhs. Priyadarshan, sir, for doing the honors. I would now like to request ICFT representative, Mr. Manoj Kadam, to join us on stage to present.
The ICFT UNESCO Gandhi goes to 200 meters by Amin Nayaf.
Congratulations, and can we have the winner?
أنا بالطريق قطعت الحاجز من شوي.
كيف راح ابنك على المستشفى هيك بدونك؟
هو عايش مع أمه بال 48.
اللي مش مواجهه لانك انت بتعرف كثير منيح انه الحق عليك انت. لما كان عندك فرصه انك تطلع هويه اسرائيليه رفضت وتنحت.
تصبح على خير. هو خلص بكفي.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you from Germany?
Yes, from Berlin.
Congratulations to 200 meters. Unfortunately, the winner is unable to join us physically, but we do have a very special message from them. Can we play the speech, please?
Hello, my name is Amin Naife, the writer and the director of 200 meters. I want to thank the International Film Festival of India for selecting my film. I also would like to thank the audience and the city of Goa and also the ICTF for this amazing award. I'm very grateful and thankful that my film is being recognized with a Human Rights Award because it talks about human rights. I also wish that nobody ever would have to live forced separation, and that this pandemic would also go away so that we can reunite with our families and loved ones whenever we want. Thank you and all the best.
Congratulations to 200 meters and Amin Naif. And thank you so much, sir. Manoj, sir, may I request you to say a few words?
Yeah. Thank you. Greetings from the CICT, ICFT, UNESCO Paris. On behalf of the CICT, ICFT Executive Office and the Director General of ICFT, George Duponot, we wish to convey our warm congratulations to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, to DFF, to the ESG, the Entertainment Society of Goa, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Mr. Amit Khare, Secretary, MIB Government of India, Sri Chaitanya Prasad, Festival Director, Prashant Kumar, the Deputy Director, Tanu Rai, the Deputy Director, and to the IFFI executives and to the team who, as every year, tirelessly and successfully organize physical and a hybrid form of the 51st session of festival during this global pandemic, while most of the international festivals have been cancelled. ICFT highly appreciate the program and IFFI's continuing efforts meeting the cultural identity, diversity, IFFI should be considered as a reference not only for the film sector but also as a driving force in promoting mutual understanding and peace. ICFT is honored and proud to be the part of the festival and is looking forward to continued and fruitful collaboration. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. IFFI's promise is to celebrate the finest cinematic works from across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, our 51st edition of IFFI will be closed by director Kiyoshi Kurosawa's historical drama, Wife of a Spy. This Japanese film, which bagged the Silver Lion for Best Director at Venice International Film Festival, is having its India premiere. Can we have the trailer, please?
Akumaのような所業を僕は見た。仲居をしていた草壁弘子が殺されました。ですかこの女。
私を疑って
草壁弘子を満州から連れ帰ったのは優作さんです。あなたとあなたのご亭主がこれからどう振る舞われるか、我々はそれを注視しています。
あなたがスパイなら私はスパイになります。
おじさん以外の誰にも渡してはいけない。この証拠を国際政治の場で発表する。
本当のことをおっしゃってください。
僕はスパイじゃない。信じるのか信じないのか。
あなたを変えたのはあの女です。
決定的な。あなたは何も見なかった。
あなたにはようがない。
ひとえにあなたのことが心配なんです。泰治君は君に惚れている。
やはり知らなければ何も信じることはできません。
あなたは連合国側のスパイですか。誰が通報した。あなたもよくご存知の方だ。
アメリカへ渡りましょう。私たち二人でたまることも怖くはありません。私が怖いのはあなたと離れることです。
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the trailer for Wife of a Spy. As the director Kiyoshi Kurosawa could not be present with us today, he has sent us a video saying a few words. Let's take a look at the AV, please.
ご覧の皆さん、黒沢です。本日はクロージングの妻が選ばれたということで、大変光栄に思っています。にお越しいただき本当にありがとうございました。5話、実は僕はもう6年か7年ぐらい前ですかね、一度、あれはもう本当に素晴らしい思い出ですね。美しい海、優しい人で、なんといっても美味しい食べ物ですね。今思い出してもなんか夢のような日々を過ごしたなと思っております。ですから本当はもうそちらに駆けつけて皆さんと直接お会いしたかったです。でも残念ながら今はそれができません。日本にいてこうやってリモートでご挨拶することしかできない。ただ映画そのものは海を越えてこちらに無事届いていると思いますので、僕が何か喋るよりも作品がずっと雄弁に何かを物語ってくれると思っております。スパイの妻という映画は1940年の日本を舞台に翻弄 される夫婦の姿を描いた作品です。皆さん、最後まで、ごゆっくりご鑑賞ください。本日はどうもありがとうございました。
Ladies and gentlemen, that was director Kiyoshi Kurosawa of the closing film of IFI this year, Wife of a Spy. अब इस मंच पर आ रही हैं एक ऐसी कलाकार जिनकी आवाज ने मोहित कर लिया है। कई सारे ब्लॉकबस्टर गानों की सजाने वाली लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन स्कोर आ रही हैं मंच पर इफी के 51st एडिशन को संगीतमय कर। जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सुप्रीमली टैलेंटेड असीस कौर के लिए।
रंग तेरा डोलना एक तेरे बाजो दूजा मेरा कोई बोलना 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 ही बोलना तेरे संग हंसना मैं तेरे संग रोना तुझ में ही रहना मैं तुझ में ही खोना दिल में बैठा के तुझे दिल नहीं खोलना मर के भी माही तो से मुंह न मोड़ना बोलना माही बोलना बोलना माही बोलना बोलना माही बोलना न मारेगी दीवानगी मेरी न मारेगी आवारगी मेरी कि मारेगी ज्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराजगी तेरी। दुनिया जमाने से रिश्ते मिटाए हैं, तुझसे ही यारी है हमारी, एक बार तो मैंने निभाया है, करके दिखाया है, ले तेरी बारी एक बारी तू भी तू भी प्यार